Alright, final one I'm cracking today. It's a Modern Horizons 2 collector, and I loved opening this. I got as much of this as I could, as I could afford to at least. Super fun, so much cool stuff. Squirrels galore. Alright, let's see what we can get. There are some really exceptional potential pulls out of this one. Alright. Arcbound Tracker. And a Knighted Myrrh, or Mirror, depending on who you are and which you say. Captured by Lagax. Shattered Ego. Vidalcan Infiltrator. Feast of Sanity. Foil Etched Island. Super wrinkly foil etched island. Still, no complaints. Pretty land. Hey, alright, well, got a Profane Tutor. Got an Abundant Harvest in the showcase. Got a Grief. If only, I think this is banned in Commander now, after whichever set they came out with the what was that? Bloomburrow. Faithless Salvaging. Foil showcase. Got a, oh man, freaking really off printed Mind Collapse. Foil. Mana symbol's pretty off too. Jesus Christ. Alright. And that retro foil. Marble Gargoyle. Is that just some schmutz? Yep, Marble Gargoyle in the etched treatment. And a Force of Negation, also in the etched treatment. Not going to complain about that. And a Persist. Won't complain about that either. Showcase foil. Alright. Get a clue. Alright. Thanks, guys. Until the next one.